Hey, what's up team? This is Eddie Gray and we're back at it again. Complete 13 just came out and now we're going to be doing a preset walkthrough of Pharlight. These videos are specifically made for those of you who are perhaps interested in buying this and upgrading, but you're just not sure if this is the right choice for you. I have no particular vested interest. I just love music. I love all things music production, and I thought this would be helpful. When I first started and I was investing $2, $3, $4, $500 and above, I always wanted to make sure that I was making the right investment to move my career forward as a composer and producer. So that being said, the GUI is part of the Play series, so it very much looks like Analog Dreams. It performs like it as well. Hybrid Keys, Ethereal Earth, Cloud Supply, and Lo-Fi Glow. I haven't checked out modular icons yet. I will in one of the next videos, so look out for that. But essentially you've got two sample sets. You can blend between both. This one is a little different in that there's an XY pad and you are performing this kind of granular synthesis where you're able to select the portion of the sample in which to focus on or play out. So for example, if I hit a note here, you can see when I move the XY pad that I can create dynamics in a way that really wasn't possible with kind of the old way of creating sample libraries. So this is really great. It looks like here this sets the volume for the granular layer after the grain layer effects and before the master. Okay, so let me go ahead and check what this sounds like if I bring it all the way down. So again, we are able to blend the signal a little bit higher, a little bit lower depending on our taste. We've got some macro controllers down here which we can raise up and bring down, which will affect everything globally. So for example, if I wanted to color this, so just like the rest of the Play series, we can go ahead and select samples on both sides. Looks like we still have control over the XY pad here. Check it out. You can favorite the presets that you find to be the most useful. There are a ton of presets in here. So let's go ahead and try and find something that works for us. So let's say we wanted something that has a vowel, something steady, that has a ensemble, energetic, and here are the two presets. Now bear in mind that's only going to change one sample set. It's not going to change what's over on this side. So let's say we wanted to change the sample on the right hand side. We can go through the same procession, or we can just select something at random. Let's select this. And that's an entirely different world altogether. I can see you using this for transitions. soundscapes, ambient music, underscores, all sorts of stuff. Okay, let's go to decaying. Alright, so that can also be used in another kind of genre. Lots of great stuff here. Let's look at hook. Really like the vocal section here. Let's check out pads. All right, with enough care and enough attention, this could be an absolute powerhouse. Everything sounds really great. So yeah, we've got the grain synthesis, controllers for the sample, effects, and then the master effects here. Looks like you have some send effects, macros, which we've already talked about, and then some modulation sources should you want to start changing the way your pad or your texture sounds. Okay, let's try out keys. Let's keep going. So yeah, absolutely digging the sounds. I feel like this is a real nice counterpart to anybody that is composing modern music or just a composer, somebody that needs underscores and something that sounds very modern, because this certainly has a modern kind of feel and I think it could really complement anybody in that world. So like if we go to pulses, for example. So obviously it has a place in the pop world. And it obviously has a place in the world of composition as well. Let's listen to a couple more. Okay, let's do one more and then we will call it. This thing is extremely easy to play. Let's do something with transitions. All right, here we go. I mean, the truth is, you can use this just about anywhere. I pictured this in a show like Catfish, or something in the world of action tension. So a lot of applications here. Pharlight is absolutely a utilitarian plugin. Anybody can use it anytime, any place, anywhere. And I highly recommend that if you've been considering it, that you at least download the demo so you can see if this truly is a good fit. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and we will definitely see you on the next one, where we will be updating and releasing more content on Komplete 13. All right, guys, take it easy. We'll see you later. Cheers.